walking down from the house to the toy factory. Used to be a big tree here. Oh, there's the steps. Wow, they really cleared out. You could hardly see that building before. It was a storage shed. So there's a lot of clearing that's happened.
That was the chicken coop.
But still, so what are these called? What are these called? They're not regular hydrangeas, are they?
They're either snowball bush or hydrangeas. Those are hydrangeas.
Okay.
Hydrangea. They're hydrangeas.
All right, my hydrangeas haven't died yet, so.
Well, you're not as cold.
And then we go down to the, I think the steps were a little more up here, but I think it's been landscaped and sloped. But this was a big old tree and a big branch that went out that way. So. And then this, Grandmama used to keep rugs and wool and so much stuff in here. This was like her part of the shop. Oh, there's a lobster trap and there's an upstairs to it. And then there was a building here, which is where the gift shop was here, and then the toy assembly was here. And then this is where all the most of the tools were for Granddad's shop. It still has the little rooms. Oh, his workbench is still along the side, Bethany. Bethany, his workbench is still along the whole side. So that's where Granddad would make, oh, gosh, I'm trying to, I don't think I'm doing it well. No. I don't think you can see. Anyway.
Well, I guess the daffodils I planted in kind of here aren't here anymore.
So there was a doorway at the edge of the building into the next one, but yeah,
Oh, we moved up here with 2.5 kids. One of the plans was to convert this to a house for us.
It's probably still the original floor, and then you can see his workbench.
Yep.
On that side.
Same rooms, yep.
And drawers, and
Yeah.
they got their kayaks in there. And then that was the Sanderbelt room.
Yep.
Right there. I don't know what that back room was for, but
I think mostly for wood.
probably for where the storing of wood. I don't remember going in there much.
Huh. Well,
It's pretty awesome.
trip down memory lane.
Yep. There it is. And then the big toy factory sign used to be on the lawn right there.
Right there.
Big old hand painted sign by my dad.